Hi friends, today I am going to discuss company law in that allotment of securities. Okay, let's move on into the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to discuss section 39, section 40, section 41, and section 42. Okay, and first see the allotment and basic rules of allotment. Allotment means acceptance given by company against investor purchasing of shares. Okay, definition. As per case of Gopal Jalan and Company versus Calcutta Stock Change, allotment was defined. Allotment means appropriation out of unappropriated share capital. So, when a company reissue the forfeited shares, it is not called as okay. Basic rule about allotment of securities. In that first one, proper authority, allotment shall be made only by board of directors. Okay, and the next one, unqualified, that means unconditional, allotment shall be unconditional. Okay, so company can't put a condition that allotment will also purchase share debentures in future. Allotment will also purchase shares debenture in future. Okay, and see the next, condition for allotment of securities. Condition. And see, legal condition for allotment in case of public issue. Minimum subscription. Minimum subscription. Okay. Collection of minimum application money. Minimum subscription, minimum application money as per section 39 subsection 2. Okay. And the next one, keeping application money into separate bank account. Application money kept into separate bank account. Okay, and the next one, listing of securities. And the next one, written of allotment. Okay, and see the next one, legal condition for allotment in case of private company. Here, public company. Okay, legal conditions for allotment in case of private placement. Private placement. Okay. Conditions of section 42 must be fulfilled. Okay. And see the next one. Minimum subscription and related provisions. Minimum subscription and related provisions. As per Companies Act, it means the minimum amount specified by directors in the prospectus as minimum subscription. Okay. As per SEBI regulation, 90% of total issue size is called as minimum subscription. 90% of total issue size. Okay. And see, time limit for minimum subscription. As per Companies Act, amount stated in the prospectus as minimum subscription must received by the issue company. Okay. Within 30 days of issue of prospectus or within such other time as prescribed by SEBI. Okay. As per SEBI regulation, there are two cases. Case 1, in case of non-written public issue, minimum subscription must be received up to date of closure of issue. Okay. And second case, in case of underwritten public issue, minimum subscription must be received within a period of 60 days after closure of issue. Okay. And say consequences of non-receiving of minimum subscription. Company shall refund the application money to public within 15 days. 10 days in case of SEBI. Okay. If company fails, then it will be liable to pay interest at the rate of 15% and SEBI 18%. And its promoter or director will be personally liable. Okay. And see the next one, application money and keeping application money. Application money. The amount when must be sent application money by the public shall not less than 5% of nominal value of shares or such higher amount as may be prescribed by SEBI. Okay, as per SEBI regulation, amount payable on application, minor amount payable on application shall not be less than 25% of nominal value. Okay, and see, mandatory keeping of application money into separate account. Okay, the company shall deposit the application money into a separate bank account in a scheduled bank. The amount of application money can be used only after successful allotment of shares of returning to those investors who are not successful. Okay, and see, penalty for misuse of application money. See, upon a company 50 lakhs, an officer fine minimum 50,000 to maximum 3 lakhs, imprisonment 1 year. Okay, and see the next, listing of securities as per section 40 subsection 1 and 40 subsection 2. Meaning of listing of securities: a contract or permission of stock exchange by which shares of issue company will be traded on stock exchange. Okay, listing gives liquidation shares. Okay, and say mandatory permission for listing every public company and bringing public issue shall apply and obtain permission of one or more recognized stock exchange. Okay, before issuing prospectus. Shall apply and obtain permission of one or more recognized stock exchange before issuing prospectus, and disclose into prospectus. The company shall disclose the fact that stock exchange has given permission shall be written or disclosed into prospectus. Okay, and see the next, return of allotment. Mandatory filing of return. Every company which has made allotment of shares must file a return of allotment in form PS3 within 30 days. Okay, attachment into PS3: list of allottees containing name, address, occupation, number of shares acquired by each allottee. Okay, and the next, copy of contract. When shares are allotted for other than cash like payment to underwriters. Okay, and copy of resolution when allotment is made of bonus shares. Copy of contract when shares are allotted for other than cash like payment to underwriter, vendor, etc. Okay, and copy of resolution when allotment is made of bonus shares. Okay, and see the next, underwriting commission. Rate of underwriting commission unless of the AOA of the company prescribed a lower rate of underwriting commission. The commission will be, in case of shares, 5% of issue price. In case of debentures, 2.5% of issue price. Okay, and other important about underwriting commission: it can be paid only in case of public issue of securities. Okay, and it can be paid either in cash or in kind, that is by allotment of shares or flats, etc. Okay, since neither Companies Act 2013 nor Company Rules 2014 prohibit payment of underwriting commission in land. Okay, and see the next one, private placement and provisions about private placement. Definition of private placement. Explanation to section 42. It means offering of securities to a select group of persons. Okay, through private placement offer come application. Okay, conditions for private placement. Conditions: pass special resolution. Okay, the proposal of private placement must be approved by members by passing special resolution. Answer the next one. Maximum number of members. Maximum number of members. Offer under private placement shall be made not more than 200 persons in a financial year. While counting 200, exclude qualified institutional buyer. Exclude qualified institutional buyer like LIC. And the next one, employees. Okay, made of receipt of money. One through banking charges. Okay, and the next one, time limit for allotment. Time limit within 60 days from the date of receipt of application money. Okay, and the next, return of allotment. The company shall file return of allotment within 15 days from the date of allotment to ROC. Okay. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, all the best. Do well, prepare well. Bye bye.